So since the price of Bitcoin is doing pretty much like how we expected, now will this trend continue further here to the upside? Will the trend get attracted towards the next area of confluence here to the upside before deciding the trend duration? Because if you have been following me for a while, you know guys, I was shouting on top of my lungs the price in the immediate short term after some range bound could show further impulsiveness, even though many were against it. Many were saying, hey Anup, you are being overly bullish. But now you can see once we flip around 26,800 to 27,000 range, the neckline from this inverted head and shoulder, we started showing this impulsiveness, and price has also reached the objective, the price objective from this inverted head and shoulder around 28,000 range. And now even if you look at this descending broadening wedge, even the target from the descending broadening wedge has already been reached, and even the descending channel. Yes, if you have been following me for a while, I was talking about all of these scenarios, right, one by one, but the main point was the resistance which you had around 26,800. On my previous video, I showed you with this example, with many other example, once the 26,800 gets flipped into proper support, we are expecting the price of Bitcoin to show this bullishness, and this is exactly what is unfolding. So before I dive further into the content, please do me a favor and destroy that like button. Let's try to reach 1,000 likes in this video. And for those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Now, before I jump into the content, guys, just want to aware you, if you are holding any of this coin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, XRP, then please check our new video on our new channel, Crypto Anup Alts. The link is in the description down below, because right now you can see Ethereum, XRP, Cardano, BNB, these coins are definitely underperforming against Bitcoin, but could be breaking out very soon. So please do not miss this opportunity. Now, according to the CPI indicator, leading indicator, the price of Bitcoin has managed to come across the June CPI, which is a very bullish scenario, guys. Yes, if you look at this June month CPI, the price of Bitcoin in a daily is clearly above the June month CPI, which means if this daily candle, or if the month is going to end above the CPI line, which is going to be around 28,000. If the price of Bitcoin is going to close the month of June above 28,000, the upcoming month is supposed to be bullish. Yes, guys, bullish, because price only finds support above the CPI line when it is preparing itself for this new uptrend. And according to the CPI indicator, you can see the first target, the first monthly R1 target for this month of June is sitting around 29,400. So this means the price of Bitcoin could show further impulsiveness towards this monthly arrow line before deciding the trend duration. And not just only because of this CPI indicator, even according to this indicator like Williams Alligator, RSI, MACD, T3CCI, I was very clear. RSI in our case has finally started to appear above 50, MACD already a bullish MACD, T3CCI already in a positive territory. And I showed you with previous example, whenever we have seen this exact happening in this indicator, T3CCI, MACD, RSI, what has happened after that? After that, this indicator, the Williams Alligator indicator, has also turned bullish. And now if we look in our case, green line is appearing above blue and red line. So we know whenever this green line starts appearing at the top and blue line at the bottom, and exactly at the same time we get confirmation from this indicator to the downside, what has happened after that? The price of Bitcoin has started this impulsiveness. And now in our case, all the indicators here to the downside are already confirming this bullishness, but it doesn't mean we cannot see any shakeout on our way. Since the price is above the CPI line, we just need to be above 27,400 to 28,000 range to remain bullish. So even if we do see any sort of a shakeout in the immediate short term, we just want the price of Bitcoin to remain above 27,400 to 28,000 range. And now, even according to this falling wedge, the price objective is going to be somewhere around 30,000 to 32,000 range, because this is the top of this falling wedge, and this is also the area where we could be getting attracted. So now the price is showing bullishness, but we could see some more range bound, right? Which is absolutely okay before turning bullish, before getting attracted towards this 31 to 32,000 range. So this is another scenario what I wanted to share with you. As long as the price remains above the CPI line, this monthly CPI line, we are expecting the price after some range bound, right, find support around these key lines, 27,400, 28,000 range, and then continue this uptrend to complete this falling wedge price objective and even the first monthly R1 line. And now, even if we look at this in a bit different way, I mean, if we look at this price structure here using this rising trend line, yesterday I showed you, according to this rising trend line price, whenever it has found support after some retracement around this rising trend line, it has showed a very nice impulsive movement. I even showed you with this price move, right? From this bottom till the top, the price of Bitcoin showed more than 50% move here as well. After finding support at this rising trend line, we had a 56-57% price move. And now we are saying, hey, if the price of Bitcoin is going to show another 50% move like this here to the upside after finding support at this rising trend line, then we could be getting attracted around 35 to 40,000 range. That would be the best case scenario for Bitcoin. But for that, what we can also do, we can simply take this Fibonacci line from the bottom till the top. You can see, guys, the price after weakness, after showing some reversal, got attracted towards this rising trend line, but also found support in between 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line before turning bullish here. From this low till this high, the price of Bitcoin also got attracted towards this rising trend line, and at the same time, we also found support in between 0.5, 0.618 Fibonacci line. So in the past price action, this has led to some very nice impulsive movement. So that is also another reason we are expecting the price, as long as it remains above 27,400 to 28,000 range, we are going to expect further more impulsiveness for Bitcoin for the upcoming days. And even if we look at this in a bigger frame, remaining above 25,000 was always considered bullish. Yes, I was shouting each and every time, please do not look for any short opportunity as long as the price is above 25,000. And now you can see the reason why. The price has already retested this 30-week exponential moving average, also retested the neckline from this inverse head and shoulder here in a weekly time frame, which was around 25,000 range. And now, since we are already breaking out from this falling wedge, right, things are looking very bullish. So we don't want to be extremely bullish, but I just want to show you some of the bullish case which is playing out here in a bigger time frame for Bitcoin. I mean, price has already broken resistance. Now we just need the price to find support in between 27,400 to 28,000 range, because if we do that, then we are expecting the upcoming days for Bitcoin also to turn bullish. And in that case, you can see this 29,000, right? This 29,500, 29,400, and even 30 to 32,000 could be on the line before deciding the trend duration. And in the best case scenario, we could go up to 40,000 range. So this is what I see right now looking at the price action Bitcoin in a different time frame. And if you like what you just saw, then please, guys, try the like button. And one more time, a friendly reminder. If you are unaware about this crypto Anup altcoin channel, the link is in the description down below. And if you are holding any of this coin, Ethereum, BNB, Cardano, and XRP, then you should definitely check this video out. So by saying this, I'm signing out. My name is Anup. Bye-bye.